Hello YouTube, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will show you how to remove Google Lock from Samsung Galaxy S22 5G. So this will work on Qualcomm devices only, so it means that it should be the model S901U or S901W, which is for the Canadian version. Okay, so far it works up to bit 9. So let me show you where is this located on the security patches. So I'm gonna go to samfw.com, so write the model, and over here you see that it is supported up to bit 9. So it means that if you have bit A, it will not be supported. Okay, so most of the devices will be on bit 9 actually, and the bit A will be updated soon enough. It is important to put the device on EDL mode. So in order to go to EDL mode, you will need to have the EDL cable also. First, you need to power off the device completely. After that, press and hold EDL button. Press and hold both volume up and volume down. Insert the cable. Immediately after inserting the cable, you need to start press and release both volume up and volume down like 10 to 12 times. And if you do it properly, the Qualcomm port will show same as it is showing on the video. Okay, so if it shows something like this, it means the drivers are installed properly. But if you see something else, you need to, with a exclamation mark, you need to check our inside on the description how to install the drivers. Okay, perfect. So once we put the phone into EDL mode or Qualcomm mode, we need to download the tool for this purpose. We need to go to tsm-tool.com/DL. And over here, you will find two applications that the TSM tool has. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna select the second application. So here we are, now the tool just loaded. This is the first one, and we have also the second one. Okay, we're gonna choose the second option, just like I told you before, and we're gonna choose one of the options over here for the download. We're gonna select the Mega download. This is one of the fastest way to download from servers. Okay, so it is a small file. It is just about 30 megabytes. Click on download over here. The download should start. You can check that on the bottom left. Just click got it on this one. And as you see, it will not take long to download depending on the internet connection speed also. Okay, great. So the download is already finished. You need to open it, and we will have the TSM Pro Edition setup over here. So this is the execution file, installation file. Open it and then go through the setup. Click on run on this one. Hit yes. Okay, create a desktop shortcut, and after that you need to click next. Okay, hit install, and the installation will be pretty fast. Run application, click finish. Okay, so it might take a while for the tool to load depending on the computer speed, but the tool is a bit heavy and it takes a few seconds to load. So once you hit run, you just need to wait. Okay, this is a login tool. This is a paid tool. So if you have only one or a few devices, you can just rent at elvile.company.site. You can just get it for like 6 hours over there, and they will provide you the login information. Okay, so let me log in real fast, and I'll show you the main menu of the tool. Once you click the email and the password, you need to hit login, and it will go to the main menu. Okay, so this is the main menu over here. It is pretty simple to use. On the left, you have base. So over here, we're gonna write the model. In our case, it is S901U. And as you see, it says bit 9. So at the moment, it supports up to bit 9 security. Bit A will not be supported. And next step will be remove FRP. After you click remove FRP, it will go to a couple of steps over here, and in about 5 seconds it will be done.